Oh hey! Yat Ebene, good morning, and welcome to Daybreak Warrior's Navajo Word of the Day. In today's video, we're going to learn how to say, I'm warming it up. To say that in Navajo, we say, Niishdóóh, Niishdóóh, I'm warming it up. To say I'm warming up coffee, you'd say, Ohwe Niishdóóh, Ohwe Niishdóóh. Now, a better way to say that is, Ohwe Ashle, but I'm saying Ohwe Niishdóóh, just to show the first person verb. To say, you warm up the vehicle, you'd say, Chide Niishdóóh, Chide Niishdóóh. You can technically say that, but when you say that, it implies that you're building a fire underneath the vehicle to warm it up. Shema abadini, Chide Nániishdóóh, Inten Ashitle, Hagone, Bitnaatse, Arotha Shahanka. So a better way to say that would be Chide Diltsi Bint Nániishdóóh, Chide Diltsi Bint Nániishdóóh. Start the vehicle and let it warm up. To say Thai is heating some water, you can say Thai to Niishdóóh, Thai to Niishdóóh. Now if I'm reheating something, I'd say Nániishdóóh, Nániishdóóh. It has the word nana in there for again, Nániishdóóh, I'm reheating it. To say I'm reheating some coffee, I'd say Ohwe Nániishdóóh, Ohwe Nániishdóóh. To say you reheat the beans, you'd say Náhuatl Nániishdóóh, Náhuatl Nániishdóóh. To say Thai is reheating ramen noodles, you'd say Thai Ayehe Beyagane Nániishdóóh, Thai Ayehe Beyagane Nániishdóóh. Now, if I'm heating up 3 or more leftovers, I'd add a D to pluralize it and say, Bo'o, Indaista'agi, Niishdóóh, or Bo'o, Indaista'agi, Niishdóóh, or Thai, Bo'o, Indaista'agi, Niishdóóh. Now, this word is where we get our word for microwave in Navajo. Be not Niishdóóh. Not Niishdóóh. It re-warms things up again.
What is that? I just sweat.
And that is today's Navajo Word of the Day. Niishdóóh, I'm warming it up, or Nániishdóóh, I'm reheating it. Have a nice day. Niishdóóh